Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to stop test execution after one or more failures in Pytest. Let's start by looking at the test directory. I have a conf test.py file and two test files. The conf test.py file contains a fixture function called read_config, and the first test file contains two test functions to test the cash_sales report, and the second test file contains one test function to test the customer report. To execute all the tests in the test directory, right-click on the tests folder and hit Run Pytest. As you can see, two of the three tests failed because the XYZ keyword doesn't exist in the query output. Say you wanted to stop the test execution after the first failure. To do that, click on the Pytest dropdown and hit Edit Configuration. Now write -x in the additional arguments section. Now if you re-execute all the tests, it will stop after the first test failure. Now say you wanted to stop the test execution after two failures. To do that, you would write -maxfail equal to 2 in the additional arguments section. Now if you rerun all the tests, the test execution should stop after two test failures. Finally, to export all the test results in an HTML format, hit the Export Test Results button. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.